HCU हमारा है, हमारा है, हमारा है। अल्लाह बोल, अल्लाह बोल। इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद।
The University of Hyderabad students congregated once again on April 1, this time on an indefinite protest as announced by its student union. They held placards and raised slogans as they made their way to the university administration building. HCU is ours, this campus is ours. Slogan need the student protesters loud and clear. The student protesters, among other demands, insisted on removing police personnel and earth-moving machinery stationed on the campus since Sunday. They also pinned the blame on the administration for facilitating the clearance of the 400-acre forested land in Kanchagachibowli. Students and teachers were urged to join the protest and boycott classes.
As of now, if they thought that this will scare the university community into going back to their rooms and giving up the fight, then as you can see behind me, the government was very wrong. They have angered the students even more. They have made students even more upset, even more agitated. And now every student in the university is on the streets with us. Every faculty, every staff is on the streets with us, demanding justice.
The police has been given a free hand inside the university by the administration. So we have gathered here in numbers demanding that the university first ask the police to leave the campus, put a stop to this surveillance raj, to put a stop to this police raj inside the campus. We are also asking the university to take actions to register the land of the university in the university's name.
Peacocks and deers are crying like anything. It's really painful for us to hear all those voices. We demand the government should come and listen those voices and stop the process immediately. And also we are demanding whether there is environmental impact assessment here. Without that, how can the government will clear all the jungle here?
Understanding the magnitude of the issue, the students' union and the student community has come into an understanding that we are trying to resist. We are fighting against the corporate state administration nexus, and we can only achieve our demands through political, legal means supported by huge mobilization from our student community.
This is an utter shame that in such a incident कोई वीसी या फिर डीएसडब्ल्यू या एडमिन का कोई भी आदमी हम लोग के पास आके बात नहीं करता है स्टूडेंट से। आज हम लोग इतने बड़े संख्या में यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुए हैं यही पूछने के लिए। द डिमांड्स आर वेरी सिंपल कि अप्रैल 7 तक जब कोर्ट ने ये बोला है कि गवर्नमेंट को वेट करना चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे बुलडोजर क्यों चल रहा है? यूनिवर्सिटी, ये सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी है, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए कि आप सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी की ज़मीन इस तरीके से बेच रहे हैं। ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को शर्म आनी चाहिए कि वो सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी को इस तरीके से एक कॉर्पोरेट का मशीनरी बना दिया है कि यहाँ पे हर जगह कोई ना कोई कॉर्पोरेट की बिल्डिंग खड़ी रहे। हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग कॉर्पोरेट के अराउंड कैसे पढ़ेंगे? सबसे पहली बात।
However, on Monday, the Telangana government clarified that it established legal ownership over the land in the Rangareddy district in the Supreme Court on May 3, 2024, and said any land contention claims would amount to contempt of the court. It all began when the erstwhile Andhra government allotted 400 acres of land in survey number 25 of Kanchagachibowli to IMG Academies Bharata Private Limited on January 13, 2004 for the development of sports facilities. The university authorities handed over the land to the then Andhra Pradesh government as per the Panchnama dated February 3, 2004, for which it received land compensation of 397 acres in survey number 36 and 37. But since the said project was shelved, the then AP government revoked the land allotment on November 21, 2006. This eventually led to a prolonged legal battle waged by the private company, first at the Telangana High Court, which ended in government's favour on March 7, 2024, and later at the Supreme Court, where its appeal was summarily dismissed on May 3, 2024. Upon the Telangana Industrial Infrastructure Corporation's or TGIIC's request, the Deputy Collector and Tehsildar, Serilingampalli Mandal, confirmed that as per revenue records, the land in survey number 25 of Kanchagachibowli village is recorded as Kancha Astabal Poramboke Sarkari, that is, government land, and an extent of 400 acres is available free from encroachments and under the possession of government for further development. The revenue authorities handed over the land to TGIIC on July 1, 2024, duly conducting the Panchnama. The press release ended on the note that the project aligns with the government's priority to develop world-class IT infrastructure, improve connectivity, and create sustainable urban spaces. The university has officially denied previous claims by the state government of a land survey done in July 2024, along with administration officials to demarcate the contested property.